Today we are going to learn about how to use Google Drawings to make a timeline for our Hitler's political and military movements assignment. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your Google Chrome browser. Then you'll travel up to your search engine and head to your drive by typing drive.google.com. After you've gotten to your drive, you will go to New, head down to More, where you will see Google Drawings. You can click Google Drawings and it will open up that application. From here, one of the first things that's very important to do is label your drawing. I will label it Test. I prefer to put your name in there as well, just so that it doesn't get lost. So for example, I might do test.smith. Now, for your timeline, you're going to need, obviously, a line. So the first thing that you're going to do is select how you want your line to look. It could just be a straight line like this. It could be a line that comes down like this, and over like this, and over like that, or over like this, and over like that. You can decide how you want that line to look. I'm just going to opt for a straight line, and the way I do that is come up here where it says line, click line, come down to my drawing space, and drag my line as far as I want it to go. That looks good enough for me. If I want to go back to my cursor, click on the cursor. Now I can manipulate the screen again. I also am going to need to include 5 events. I'm not going to show you how to make 5 events, but I am going to show you a way to organize this. So click line. Here could be maybe event number 1, maybe event number 2, perhaps event number 3, 4, and 5. I'm just doing this real quick. Forgive me that some of my lines are not even. Then I need a place to type. So I'll open up a text box. All I did was click the text box option, and I personally am a fan of having borders around my boxes, so I go to border weight, select the border weight that you want, and now my text box has a box. I'm going to change the font size a little bit, but just for example, I might need to type about the Nazi Soviet Non-Aggression Pact. First thing I might want to do is format this a little bit and maybe include the date right after that. I'm just going to make up a fake date real quick. After this, I want to include my text. What is my description of the event? So this is an event that shook the world. You're going to have to describe it in 2 to 3 words, or sentences, forgive me. And finally, one of the last things you need to do on your timeline is include an image. The image has to be accurate, and the way we include an image is by going to Image. There's a couple different options here. If you have images in your drive, you can go here, or perhaps in your photos. If you found an image by URL, you can do that. I personally am going to search the web, and I might type the Nazi Soviet Pact. And here I have an image of the Nazi Soviet Pact. Click on it, click Insert, and I have to resize a little bit. And I will select that location. Might need to move things around a little bit, make it look appealing, but that is the basic idea of how you create a timeline in Google Drawings. Thank you so much. Have a great day.